Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about constants and multiple assignments in Swift. So, welcome back, guys. So, all the variables we have been made can be changed. For example, if we have age at 15, for example, if we put, let's just say variable age equals 20, whoops. If we have variable age equals 20, it will equal 20. And this can be changed. So, for example, if we put age equals 30, clock is now equals 30 as opposed to 20. So this variable is these variables are called mutable variables, meaning they can be changed and you can change the values. For example, in this case, we changed 20 to 30. However, what if you don't want the values to change and you want them to be permanently or constantly a certain data? This is where constants come into play. To do this, we use let. Now, let specifies a variable, but in actual fact, it's a constant. Let's just put it into practice. Let's just type let let ice age equal 25, and now we go on ice age equals 30. Now when we run this, we should get an error. Yep, we get an error. Whoops. No, actually we got an error because I put the wrong one. Whoops. That was a different error. So yeah, this is the error we're supposed to get. Cannot assign to value ice age is a let constant. Now the reason why it's an error here and not there is because we used let, and let variables cannot be changed. So so we get this error here. Change let to variable to make it mutable. So let variables are immutable, i.e. they can't be changed. So we get an error due to it being a constant. So examples of using constants are creating a game and you want to keep a game mode the same. Also, when making iOS applications, you'll see Xcode making suggestions that this or that variable should be a let because you are not changing the variable. It is good practice to use let for variables that you won't change as it looks cleaner and it saves the code. But you don't have to. So now onto the multiple assignments. Let's say I have three integer variables. For example, var age 1 equals 10, var age 2 which equals 15, and variable age 3 which equals 20. Now this works fine, but it takes 3 lines of code. There's much more simpler way of doing this than just using 1 line. It saves the code and it looks much cleaner. So let's write that code. So you put var variable age. Whoops. So most assignments is the type. So we put variable age 1, age 2, age 3, which equals which equals 1, 2, 3. So this code right here, this multiple assignment makes h1 equal to number 1, h2 to number 2, and h3 equal to 3. And if we print it, we'll get the so for example, if we print h2, we should get 2 printed out, and see we get 2 for out. Let's just change that to 20. So that this code is much simpler than having 3 lines of code, such as age 1 equals 10, and variable age 2 equals 15. This code is much cleaner and faster, and it's called multiple assignment, so it saves you a lot of code and just looks cleaner than the above. So, but if we run this together with that one, it's not going to work. So we just need to cut this one out and then just paste it in. So yeah, so this is called multiple assignments, and the same rules apply for constants in the multiple assignments. So if you have any questions, please comment below, and in the next video we'll begin on to actually building a demo app. So get ready for that, and see you next week, or see you next video.